and the brand mantra of GWC. So today we'll be talking about networking. What exactly is networking? When we join these uh, networking forums or we attend the meeting, what is there we can do to build our network and grow our network? So there are few points that are coming out of my experience and also the veterans from the industry. So this presentation is just not by me, but few other people who have शेयर देयर पॉइंट्स और इन्होंने बताया कि अगर आप नेटवर्किंग में जा रहे हैं, बिजनेस नेटवर्किंग आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज अर्लियर टाइम्स व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग, लोग कई सारा पैसा खर्च करते थे for their advertisements and to make themselves visible. But now when networking is here, when social media branding is there, when social media networking is there, it becomes little easier. And when I talk about homepreneurs or womenpreneurs जिनके पास इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए इतना पैसा नहीं होता, so this is the best thing that they can do, but it needs to be very effective. First of all, let me start with this line: networking is your network. So what do we mean by network? Please, if you can unmute yourself and let me know what is network. Network. Break the word network. Yes, please. Yes, Savita ji.
Yes, it's the work that brings the net amount in your account.
Absolutely, yes, you can say that. But when we talk about thank you for sharing your views. When we talk about network, so network is your net worth. People may ask what amount you have in your bank account, but now it is more of how many people you are connected with. That doesn't mean that you have crossed the limit of 5,000 people on Facebook, but they are not connected to you. They are not asking about you, and they are not giving any referrals, or you are not giving any referral to them. Then there is no point of getting to that limit of Facebook friends. So when I say networking is network, so you need to work around your network. So that is the network, and when the result comes due to that network is the network. So point number one is initiate. We always wait for someone to come to us and उसको आने दो, उसको पूछने दो कि क्या चाहिए आपको. जैसे कि GWC core team members, they keep on calling you every time. Okay, do let us know what do you want from GWC. Do let us know आप किस तरीके से connect करना चाहेंगे. क्या आप FB live session करना चाहेंगे? So we all have this. Don't wait for someone else to come to you. Ask you. Initiate. Every time you initiate. As we say, leaders always initiate. And since we all are entrepreneurs, we are leading an organization, we are leading a company, so we have to build. Nobody is a born leader. Believe me, nobody is a born leader. You need to inculcate that leadership quality in you. So initiate always. Connect to people. You should be the first one who is going to somebody to ask about them. Have that habit of introducing people. If you know who connects and they can go together or they can collaborate, introduce themselves. Just by tagging on Facebook or just by tagging somewhere else, that doesn't count actually. So you need to share their numbers. If you have both the numbers with you, exchange, ask first, take a permission from them. You need to ask, can I connect you to this? Would you like to be connected to that person? Ask them and then share the numbers. And later on, you can follow up. Be authentic. Don't brag about your business. I do this, I have this much of connect. Start working on that. Be authentic to yourself, first of all. If you're true to yourself, you can actually help others. That is the first thing that I always say to my people every time. So once you're honest with yourself, you can actually work upon yourself. Second is elevator pitch. As Ekta mentioned, if you're going in a lift, there is a very less amount of time with you. So, and if some investor is there in that lift, how you are going to tell about your business? That is elevator pitch. 2 seconds. First floor से आपको 6th floor तक जाना है या 7th floor तक जाना है. उसी दौरान अपने बिजनेस के बारे में उस इन्वेस्टर को कैसे बताएंगे? आपको पता है मैंने 2016 में बिजनेस शुरू किया था, बड़े स्ट्रगल किए, मैंने ऐसा किया वैसा किया. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल दैट राम गाथा. I'll be very crisp. Brevity is the key. Be very crisp and concise about your business. Talk about that USP, unique selling point. Now comes the 18-20 rule. There was a book by Brian Tracy. I read it there. And this 18-20 rule, what it says is the tried and true rule for networking is that you need to listen. You need to listen. A good listener can be a good speaker. Talk to people, listen to them, what exactly they need from you or from your connects. Talk to them, try to understand them, build relationships. So 80% should be listening, 10% should be anybody, 10% should be questioning, and 10% can be you can share your opinion with them. So most of the time it is listening. You need to listen, because when you listen you get to know about the ask of the person and the connect of the person. Then we have quid pro quo. Now what is quid pro quo? बिना कुछ किए free में कुछ नहीं मिलता. You have to work upon something to get something. So networking is a two-way street. Before taking, it is more of giving. When you start helping people, when you start connecting with people, it will come back to you as well. I'll be introducing 4 people. In fact, Shweta is going to introduce you to 4 people today, later in the slide. And those 4 people that I will be introducing you to, they are the one who initiated help. And now they are at that position that everybody knows them. Because उन्होंने पहले शुरुआत करी, they helped people, they connected people, they helped them in building their business. It is more of connecting people, it's more of initiating, it's more of giving help. If you have any connect, if you know somebody is in help, reach to them. क्या आप मुझे रेफरल दे सकते हैं? क्या आप मेरे ब्रांड को प्रमोट कर सकते हैं? The first question, probably the person is not asking you, वो आपसे नहीं पूछ रहा है person, लेकिन the first question that the person has in his or her mind is, आपने क्या दिया मुझे जो मैं आपको दूं? Right? When you start working selflessly towards this networking thing, towards your connect, you automatically start getting. Visibility comes out of your work, your network, and then net worth of people. And the last point is patience. Patience is a virtue. You need to be a little patient. You need to wait. जब भी हम कोई बीज बोते हैं, वो प्लांट बनने में, वो ट्री बनने में टाइम लगता है, तो वो पेशेंस होना चाहिए. जब आप अपने कनेक्ट बनाने शुरू करें हैं, you will get that. You will get that. Patience is the virtue, and an entrepreneur has to have patience. Let's move to the next slide now. Your network is your net worth. As I said, Facebook 5,000 doesn't mean anything if they're not connecting to you. So social media networking. LinkedIn, if I talk about a formal platform, business platform, LinkedIn, very formal it is. But if we take the percentage, Facebook is #1 in getting business. Even the employers are checking the Facebook profile of the person. Even if you're trying to connect with the corporates, they'll go and check Akanksha Tyagi on Facebook first. So whatever you're posting on your Facebook, whatever things you have mentioned in your Facebook profile, optimize your Facebook profile. What does that mean? What do you mean by optimization? Anybody? I have very less time. Ekta and Ila will stop me in between. So before that,
Akanksha, I would like to speak. So I think optimization means to get the maximum benefit, whether it be economic or long-term benefit from the available resources.
All right, all right.
And shall I, Akanksha?
Yes, please.
I think it is the most effective, use of a situation. How well you use that situation, that opportunity that has been given to you. आपको जो एक opportunity मिल रही है, आप उसको कैसे use कर रहे हो उसको? What is the most effective use of that opportunity?
All right, super. So when I say social media profile optimization, so Facebook is an opportunity, and how you are taking maximum out of it is your profile optimization. What you are mentioning about you, that is very much important. That website should be there. That Facebook page should be there. The link to the Facebook page. There's one link tree over there. You can go and you can just insert as many links of yours as you can. The page, the website, the Instagram link, everything. And that one link will be sufficient enough. Wherever you post it, people click on it and they will see all the links under that link. That is link tree. You can write it down and you can download it and you can make use of it. So you just need to post that Linktree link, and whenever somebody is going to click on that link, they will see your Instagram link, Facebook link, website link, and whatever link you put in there, they will be able to see and they will be able to follow you. Right, so you can follow that, and just go through your Facebook profiles, see what is there that needs to be there and what is there that needs to be omitted from there, because there are so many things that we do. We try to make it a little personal. If we are business people, so we need to make it little formal, or else then second is netiquette. What is netiquette?
Etiquette over the net.
Netiquette. Everything is virtual now. Everything is virtual. The way we connect to people virtually, the way we talk to them, even in a business meet, when so many people are talking, so we look forward for the videos of the people, right? So there may be times that because we all are at homes and we have kids, you may need to put your video off, but try to make it visible every time, because it is the foremost thing that needs to be there. If we talk about virtual conversation or we talk about netiquette, make sure the lighting is there on your face when you are connecting to people, when you're talking to them. They need to have a look, because the way you sit, the way you talk, the way you connect, it adds an impression to the other person. And when we are there in the business meet, you ought to look for these things. This is a prerequisite. Open doors without any pressure. Why I added this point over here is that you may get many messages multiple times. Please promote this at your page. Please promote this at your profile. Can you connect me to this person? Can you connect to that person? And that goes multiple times. That goes multiple times. When you do this, you actually are lagging behind in the networking part. Don't do that. Be a little subtle in asking. Be a little subtle in this networking process. It should not be continuous. आपने बिना पूछे ही ब्रॉडकास्ट लिस्ट में किसी को ऐड कर दिया, आप बार बार like my page, like this, like that, like my YouTube channel. You are making it little regular affair, and you are just sharing it everywhere. So don't make it. You keep a gap, keep an interval in between. Now, very important is build relationships. If you have those 5,000 people in your Facebook, your LinkedIn, 30,000 probably, your Instagram, try to build connections with them. There's no point of having those 5,000 people if you're not connected with them. Send messages, ask them or go through their profile and see how you can connect. Talk to them. This is what networking is. A two-way street, remember. It's more of giving than taking. You cannot ask somebody if you're not giving anything. The small businesses, the women who are doing small businesses, and even if they are well established in their businesses, you just can like, you can comment. In social media, when you like and comment a post, it adds on to the visibility. It adds on to the visibility, and this is coming from my personal experience where I had 200 likes on my page, and now I have more than 3,500 followers on my page. This is coming out of my experience.
Hello.
हाँ,
Yes, please.
आरवी हॉस्पिटल आना है हमें.
आज नहीं आना था.
क्या?
Can we mute ourselves, please? So netiquette, right? So make sure you are muted when you are there in the business meet. And I hope I'm audible.
Yes, Akansha, you are.
Go. So start building relationships by liking the post, by sharing if you find it valid. If you find a genuine post, please share it and promote it wherever you can. That's how you build relationship, and that's how you create your visibility on social media. Start commenting on your fellow women entrepreneurs posts. Now, don'ts of networking, again, very important. Be a passive listener. Don't be a passive listener. What is passive listener? Somebody is talking to you. Somebody is talking about the ask, and you're looking here and there. Yeah, I'll see, and you're not making the eye contact. You are not being empathetic at that time. You ought to listen to that person. 80% listening. Remember, we talked about in do's. So 80% of listening should be there. You need to maintain that eye contact. You need to make that person understand that yes, you are listening to the person. overzealous self-promotion. Every time, I have somebody is calling you to connect to some person, please like my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my website. And every time you just come up with this line. So don't make it, and don't keep on adding people to broadcast list without their permission. Don't get too personal. Talk about business, be formal. Yes, you can try making friends, but don't get too personal. Compare and criticize. People, this is the very important thing I would like to tell you over here is, when people who have same business, they tend to do this. Believe me, this way you lose your business. This way you lose your customers. And this is again coming out of the experience. When you compare two businesses who are doing the same business, you say, वो ना इतने में दे रहा है और मेरा थोड़ा price कम है. You should try and buy from me. आप ये इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हो, बट आप क्या इंप्रेशन दूसरे के दिमाग में अपने लिए क्रिएट कर रहे हो. सेकेंड इज व्हेन यू से कि उनका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा नहीं है, मेरा प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा है. Again, you are losing the business and client. Don't ever compare and criticize. There should be competition. Yes, I agree, but the competition should be with yourself, not somebody else. Try to better yourself, try to improve yourself, try to evolve as an entrepreneur rather comparing and criticizing. It's more about the USP, what problem you are solving to your clients, for your customers. It's not that we two are doing same business and I need to be here and the other person has to be here. No, if you'll work hard, you'll grow. You have to evolve. You have to work hard in order to get there. I hope you are in sync with me, everyone.
Yes, Akansha, very true.